Okay, so how to edit drop-down menu on Hostinger website builder? Well, what you're gonna need to do here is just click on your header. Make sure you select your header, please. And now here we're gonna see this edit header. We can also edit navigation from here, edit shopping bag, edit style. And then if you only want to edit the style, just click on here. And now from here, we want to edit the header, right? We also have the actually I don't have on this website, but I'm gonna create right now to add. Actually, I don't have to create, just drag to have. So I have a drop down here also. So we have the color here, this white right over here. So I'll just select this style. Now I want to edit the header, not the button or the social icons. I want to edit the header. So now the background, the header background, you can actually click on hover and you can select. Now the color is red, right? But you can change this to different color. And then I can update, but I'm not gonna update right now. I'm gonna update in a second. So here we also have the text font. We can change from here. And then the header text color, I'm gonna change here to this one. Now we have from the sub item is also a different color. I mean, actually not a different color, but it's the same color. Now I don't know how, I'm not an expert, but I don't know how to change only, let's say, the color of this drop down. I have no idea. But I'm gonna look. You can also add a new drop down, and let's say I'll drag this here. Anyways, now let's go back to here and we can change the header text color, text font, and we can also add transparent header. And on hover, we added this color, right? Now, for the text, for the button, you can also change the button here size. You can change the border width or add some corners radius from here if you want to. And another thing is on hover. If you want to add a cover or color on hover, you can. Now preview, sorry, and you have this color, and now here you have a different color as well. And yeah, now let's update. We'll go back to the editor after. This works. Okay, now, and on hover, let's say actually add a different color. So I'll add this, so I'm gonna change the color to this white, and also pick this color if you want to. And now, when you click on preview, you're gonna have this white on hover. Okay, and you can also edit here in style, select social icons, and then you can just edit your social icons and of course the color. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and like this video. I'll really appreciate it.